Hi class. Today we are going to go over the artwork of Andy Goldsworthy and talk about what makes him so special. In the Prezi you've just been viewing, you've been learning a lot about nature art and installation art, and learning about the similarities and the differences between the two of them. Andy Goldsworthy is both a nature artist and an installation artist. But what makes his work so special, as you've just read, is that he uses all natural materials. And he doesn't use anything else like glue or scissors for putting all of it together. He uses only what he finds in nature. I'm going to go through some of these artworks below, and we'll just talk about what makes the materials so special and some other things about the artworks that are so different. So here we have the leaves covering a rock. More leaves, and this one he's using a gradient of colors, which we've already learned about. The art is mostly in the design of it, where the artwork is going in a squiggly pattern. Here we have the sticks over a lake. And what makes his artwork so special also is that they can't be displayed within a museum or a gallery or anything like that. Andy Goldsworthy instead takes pictures of his artworks, and it's those photographs that are displayed. As you can see from this work, it would be really hard to have this be kept up, whether the wind knocks it down or the current of the water. The photographs allow all of the people to see it. When a work doesn't last very long, it's called ephemeral. Ephemeral art is a type of art that Andy Goldsworthy really revolutionized because of the fact that a lot of times items in nature don't hold up very long. With the whole circle of life type of thing, works in nature, they are built strong, but then sometimes they get knocked over from natural phenomenon. This one's also similar to the leaf one we saw earlier with the gradient. This one might last a little bit longer than the stick one that we saw before. Andy Goldsworthy does have some artworks that last longer than others, but that's just a uniqueness from piece to piece. Sticks. And more rocks. You can also see a similarity with a lot of his works. For example, with the stick one that we saw before, they're very similar to the gradient one like this because it goes deep into the hole. And then here we have some more leaves lying on the ground in another squiggly pattern, which brings it back to the one that we saw before with the squiggly pattern going up. Andy Goldsworthy is very into using colors and patterns to make his artwork, and the materials really help out with that. Keep looking through some of these images, and as we do so, come up with some ideas, because next class we'll be making some nature art of our own. Another unique thing about Andy Goldsworthy's works is that he doesn't destroy anything that he finds in nature. He simply uses the stuff that already would have been dead leaves or flowers that were going to be withering away or dying. He doesn't chop down trees to make his work. He doesn't destroy nature. He simply takes what he can find and turns it into beautiful artwork. This is what we will be doing with items that we find in the schoolyard. Thank you very much for watching this video, students. And I look forward to seeing you next class and making some nature art of our own.